Okay, I was a little skeptical about this. It looked a little too simple to solve my problem. Hello, welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today we have a problem to solve. The problem to solve is we have a blast cabinet. We plug our shop vac into the blast cabinet to evacuate the extra dust while we're media blasting parts. And the problem we run into is that it fills our vacuum cleaner bag rather quickly, it's heavy, and we're not able to reuse the media, which we'd really like to reuse the glass bead media that gets sucked out of the cabinet. So we went to Dustopper, and there is a product called Dustopper. And what it is, it's a product that sits on top of a Home Depot bucket, and it comes with an extra hose that you can actually plug into the blast cabinet. The shop vac plugs into this, so as the media comes out of the blast cabinet, it goes through some channels in this topper, and the media drops into the bucket so that when you're done blasting, you can reuse the media. Let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. I am hopeful that the results are as good as it looks. So, we come with some hose, and this hose will go from the top of the bucket into my blast cabinet. This is the Dustopper. And the Dustopper, it appears that, let's see, this is the pickup line. So we would actually put the pickup line from this hose into here. We'll set this on top of our bucket, and it will clip to our bucket. And then we're going to put our shop vac on top of this. And our shop vac is going to vacuum this out of the dust cabinet. And it's going to go through, it looks like a kind of a filtration mesh. So what it does, it looks like it comes in and it swirls down through this, and then will drop into the bucket. And this will allow air to pick up out of here and hopefully not pick up product and go back into the shop vac. So we're going to go put this thing together, give it a shot, and come back with some results. Okay, this is what the Dustopper looks like all set up. What we did was we took the short hose that came in the kit and ran it from our blast cabinet all the way down into the Dustopper. It's going to swirl the air in the Dustopper when we turn the vacuum on, and it's going to then suck the clean air out back in this line, going all through here, swizzling all out here into my rigid shop vac. So now we're going to see how it really works. Okay, we've completed media blasting one door hinge from a 1963 Corvette. Probably we're blasting for about 7 minutes, and we had the bucket on. So now we're going to open the bucket up and actually see what happened. And as we look in the bucket, there is a decent amount of media that it caught. So I am going to say after about 7 minutes in the bucket, that's a fair amount of media that it picked up. So I'm going to say that as of right now, this product is a success. It seems to be picking up the media. I think time will tell about how quickly my bag fills, but for right now, I'm going to say this thing's awesome. I'm going to get to blasting some other stuff, and what we'll do is close this video out in a little bit, and we'll have some links to purchase this product and apply it to your Home Depot bucket. Okay, I was a little skeptical about this. It looked a little too simple to solve my problem. You know, I've run it for about 10 minutes, and as of right now, it collected a significant amount of extra media blast dust, which is glass bead, through the bucket system, as you saw in the video. This product cost approximately $51. and there will be a link to purchase this product below. It comes with the hose, it comes with an elbow, and it comes with the topper. You're going to have to provide your own Home Depot bucket. Probably works on other buckets, but I know it clips to the Home Depot, seals very well. So for $51, if you look at how many bags I go through in my shop vac bags, I think that 3 of them cost me about 11 or 12 bucks. And it doesn't take long to make one of the shop vac bags unusable. So, for every time I blast a half a dozen parts, I'm blowing through, a $3 or $4 bag. So over time, this is really going to pay off. Not to mention that I don't lose my media now. I can actually take it out of this bucket. It's clean media. I can actually throw it back in my blast cabinet. So I get a media savings and I get a shop vac bag and filter savings. So $51, great product, highly recommend it. Love to hear how it works out for you. Thanks for being with us. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you'd like to see some more cool videos on things to do in the shop, give us some ideas. We're open to thinking about trying some new stuff. So have a great day. Thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage.